Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to make a Facebook page on phone. So if you want to create a Facebook page, keep watching the video till the end. Let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Facebook app. From here you have to click on three line at the top right corner. Then you can see the pages option at the bottom side. You have to click on pages. Then at the left top side you can see the create option, so you have to click on create. Then if you click on the get started at the bottom, then it will take you the option of creating a page. So you have to give your page name. Suppose I'm giving my page name Tech Hub. Then I have to click on next. Then what types of popular category, you have to select category product and service. Then if you wish you can select more from here, computer and computer company. Then you have to click on next. Then if you have any web address, then you can give here. I don't have web address. Next. This is the last step. Here you have to give your cover photo and profile picture. So I'm selecting one cover photo. I'm selecting this one as my cover photo. Okay. Then I have to add a profile picture. I'm clicking here. Then you can use any image as your profile picture. I'm using this image. Okay. So after that you have to click on save. Then if you click on done, then your page will create. So this is very easy process of creating a Facebook page on phone. So after clicking done, this page has created. That's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.